And it's like, why do I have a headache? Why do I have a migraine? I could eat like and feel a lot better. Like what? So I know that you can. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. Oh, I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do,
Hey guys, good morning. My name is Genovia Brielle and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. I'm starting the vlog off on a Saturday. I woke up with a migraine. I've been having a headache / migraine literally all week. Don't know why. I've been taking Tylenol, I've been taking Excedrin, and nothing's working. I researched that there are other things I can take, other vitamins. I know I'm starting this off like really weird, but I gotta be real. Like, this is how I started my morning off. I researched vitamins I can take. So I found magnesium and vitamin D3, D2, B2. I think it's B2. Because the Excedrin's not working and the Tylenol's not working. And I went on TikTok, even though TikTok is not a valuable source, but they did mention sometimes Tylenol and Excedrin using it chronically can actually have adverse effects, which means I still have a migraine. So right now it did kind of calm down from this morning. Like, I took it, drank some water, laid down, watched Poor Moins, and then got back up. And when I got back up, that's when you seen me get up and do what I needed to do at the beginning of this vlog. So today, here's the agenda. We are gonna go and try to, well, actually, first thing, clean up. We definitely, like, you see me take my sheets off, I'm washing those. I'm gonna show you my room because this is an open and honest vlog. I'm gonna show you my room and show you what it looks like. I haven't cleaned it since I got back from that trip I told you guys about, and I just been leaving for every weekend ever since. I haven't even unpacked my bag. So I need to clean my room. Kitchen is kind of already clean. I just need to wipe off the countertops, bathroom, and I need to help my son with his room. Next thing is I want to go to Target because I need to get some retinol and a couple of other things. I want to go to the farmer's market and get some flowers, and maybe some fruits and vegetables if they have it, and then some lunch. And then I need to go to Sprouts. So, and I'll show you guys all of that. Sprouts is a market. It's like a grocery store, but it's kind of like Trader Joe's. If I could compare it, yeah, it's kind of like Trader Joe's. So I'll take you guys with me today. That's pretty much it for the day. So I'll bring you guys along, and hopefully this vlog isn't choppy like the last one. Now that my headache has suppressed, I still have like some tension or pressure or whatever, but I'm able to move around. So I'm gonna just take it for chill for the day, but I still need to run some errands. So let me show you guys what my situation is looking like. So this is my closet. This is my desk. This is my floor. It's literally boxes piled high, stuff I didn't put away. My shoes, I finally got a shoe rack, so I'm gonna put that together. And then it's just, yeah, it's crazy. So yeah, there's that. I feel like my headache came back just freaking looking at that stuff. So I'm gonna just try to take it slow today and take you guys on for the ride.
Annoying as fuck to me. Like, one nigga is annoying to me. I could not imagine. I could not fathom dealing with 4. But that's when you get a... Who's dealing with 4? Them pops stop just coming in a relationship. But you need to reevaluate a long time. Stop fucking him. Go fuck.
Hey guys, so we're gonna take a quick break, or not even quick. We're gonna go ahead and run our errands today. When I come back, I'm gonna do the kitchen and the bathroom. But for right now, we're gonna go ahead and go out and run our errands. And then we're gonna come back and probably take a nap and then pick up where we left off. So let's go get dressed. Okay, so really quick, this is what I have on. It's really nothing. I put on this white shirt, these pants with the butt split in the back, my purse, my baddie hat with my wig, and then let me see if I can get just these sandals. I was gonna put on tennis shoes, but it's hot outside, so we're just gonna wear sandals. So let me get my son ready and then we'll be on the road. All right, as you can tell, my energy is not there, but we're gonna go to Target first. I made a list and I'm checking it twice. Maybe the sunshine will help me. We'll see. Let's go.
Inside.
Inside?
Yeah.
Target, crowded. Okay, I'm trying to look for retinol right now, but I can't figure out what you call it is supposed to be in what department. So here's some. I'm gonna get, I don't know. Let's add it to the cart. And then I'll see what else they have. Something cheaper, bottom shelf. This is what I need. Muscle relaxation, heart, nerve, and bone, because these niggas be getting on my nerves. So that's what I need. Look, I'm recording. I got you. Say hi. Did you wave? No. Here are the food trucks. And they got the, I want to get the, I don't know, the rolls. What they called again? I forgot. And then some more over here. I don't know if I want to get the egg rolls or the fish tacos. I think the egg rolls might be cheaper, but we'll see. I think I'm going to get the egg rolls because I got the fish tacos last time. Yeah, I'm going to do this. Alright, so I got egg rolls. This is what I'm getting for. I got a loaded baked potato, mac and cheese, and shrimp. So, these These taste really good. I got the shrimp ones first, so we're gonna eat these right now while Jackson's playing. Is too much water in you? Oh boy. So this is what I was actually looking for, is this. It's only 2 ingredients, 0 fillers. Gotta get this. This is $5.99.
I want a corn dog.
I know, I'm about to get it to you right now.
I'm going to get the T-Rex now. That you said. Hello! Person, but he's an evil person.
It's not an evil person, Nana. It's just a neighbor.
Then I'm dog.
Hold this.
I'm saying dog.
Hold this. So I can hold all the other stuff. What?
I'm saying dog.
You're done?
We're bored.
Go upstairs. Okay, so see, we back at home because I took my wig off and put my bonnet back on. I got this strawberry or lemon raspberry. So I want to try it because it looked really good. Cheers. Nah. All right. So it's actually pretty good. It's refreshing and has a little bit of sugar in there, but it's 35 calories. So it's not bad. It's not that bad. So I got my milk. Let me show y'all. So this is a plant-based milk. They have, I showed y'all, they have walnut, and I think they have oat too. Yeah. Okay, I'll change it. And it only has 2 ingredients: filtered water and almonds. So I'm gonna start getting this. It's expensive. It's expensive. But I wanted to try it because I seen one of the other vloggers use it, and I did notice that the almond milk that I was getting had a lot of different shit in it that I didn't know. Wasn't paying attention. I just thought almond milk was almond milk, and it was just the best. So it's expensive, but it's making better strides towards my health. So there you go. I'm gonna try I'm gonna try the walnut one next. It just sucks because sometimes I really be looking like I'm making all these changes to what I eat, working out, keeping track, making sure I move, making sure I stretch, mental health, and all this other stuff. And I feel like I have made progress from last year. I've made a lot of progress with my mental health, with my physical health, and things of that nature. But I just feel like something always brings me back, per se. Like I be taking steps forwards, and then I take like 10 steps back. Like with this headache thing, I'm just like, why am I eating healthy throughout the week, trying to drink enough water? I mean, do I drink a gallon a day? No. Do I need to? Yes. However, I'm eating salads. I'm not eating meat, red meat. Maybe that's it. Maybe I'm missing the vitamins in red meat. But I'm not gonna eat red meat because I never really did. I'm eating like tuna. Like I get these little tuna things now. Like it has less sodium in it and stuff. So, and it's like, why do I have a fucking headache? Why? Why do I have a migraine? I can eat like shit and feel a lot better. Like what the fuck? So I'm just frustrated. Of course, you know, that stuff I ate, that's literally, I don't go and get egg rolls all the time. I just wanted something different. I usually eat healthy throughout the week. This is like, Saturday is like my one. Saturday and Sunday is like my days where I'll eat like one unhealthy meal. Okay, it had cut me off on the... But anywho, let me go ahead. I'm going to finish my 2 egg rolls. Quick review about those. The mac and cheese ones I really didn't like. The potato ones are okay. The top-notch ones are the shrimp noodle ones. Those are good with the, it's like a Thai sauce that they use, like a chili sauce. So I recommend those. I probably should have just got 6 of those because those were fucking good. But let me go ahead and finish those up. But mama, what if I were a terrible man-eating dinosaur?
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be
Did you pick up all your toys out of the room?
different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think I'm going to fit. Right amount of